Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a crypto-themed event with Eventbrite, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining the purpose of your crypto-themed event. Decide on the type of event you want to host, such as a seminar, meetup, or workshop. Identify your target audience and what topics will interest them most within the crypto space. Choose a date and time for your event that accommodates your audience's schedule. Select a suitable venue, whether it's a physical location or a virtual platform. Create an account on Eventbrite if you haven't done so already. Log into Eventbrite and navigate to the Create Event section. Fill in the basic details of your event, including the title, description, and location. Use engaging language in your event description to attract potential attendees. Specify the date and time you selected earlier. Set the ticket pricing, considering options for free, paid, or donation-based tickets. Customize your ticket types to include early bird or VIP options if desired. Add imagery to your event page that reflects the crypto theme, such as logos or relevant graphics. Include a section on the agenda or schedule of activities to inform attendees about what to expect. Highlight any notable speakers or guests who will be presenting or participating in the event. Ensure to include clear instructions for attendees on how to RSVP and secure their tickets. Set up any additional features on Eventbrite, such as merchandise sales or donations, if applicable. Once your event details are complete, review everything carefully for accuracy. Publish your event to make it live on Eventbrite. Promote your event using social media, email newsletters, or relevant crypto forums. Engage with potential attendees by answering any questions they might have about your event. Monitor ticket sales and adjust your marketing strategy if necessary to boost attendance. As the event date approaches, send reminders to attendees with important information. On the day of the event, ensure everything is in place, from technology to logistics. After the event, follow up with attendees for feedback and to thank them for participating. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.